Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your portfolio management with BlockFi. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BlockFi website on your preferred web browser. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your BlockFi account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your portfolio metrics. Click on the Portfolio tab to access your current asset allocations. Review the displayed information to assess your existing investments. To add a new asset to your portfolio, click on the Add Asset button. Choose the cryptocurrency or token that you wish to add from the list provided. Enter the amount you want to invest in the selected asset. Confirm your transaction to execute the purchase. Next, explore the Earn feature to see how to earn interest on your holdings. Select the assets you'd like to earn interest on and review the terms. Adjust your selected assets if necessary and confirm. To optimize your portfolio, review the Insights section. This section provides analytics on market performance and asset trends. Analyze the data to make informed decisions about rebalancing your portfolio. If needed, rebalance your portfolio by selling assets that are overexposed. Invest the proceeds into other assets that may offer better growth potential. Regularly monitor your portfolio to stay updated on market changes. Utilize BlockFi's educational resources to enhance your understanding of portfolio management. By following these steps, you'll effectively upgrade your portfolio management with BlockFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.